What's going on, everybody? So today it's Pops GT here, and we are showing you the simple, super easy method of installing an S650 catch can. Go ahead and drop us a like and subscribe, as it always helps the channel. So we have been crazy busy with this build. We have done things like the Muscle AutoZone fenders. We also got the Terminator hood. We did a stage 4 upgrade from VMP Performance. Things have been going extremely well. But today we are here to put on the long overdue catch can. So let's jump right in. The first thing that you're going to need to do is locate where you're going to actually mount the catch can mounting bracket. There's a grounding bolt right above the battery box, and we found that to be the best spot to go ahead and mount this catch can bracket. Gives you plenty of room that you need to be able to adjust. Once you've got that bolt removed, you can go ahead and put in your bracket, put that bolt back in. I do suggest not tightening this bolt all the way down, as you're going to need the movability of this bracket to get everything placed just perfectly. Next step is you're going to want to go ahead and locate the line that you're going to be removing. One side of this should be going into right above the throttle body, right below the Whipple, and the other side is going to be going into the head of the actual motor. There will be push tabs on each side of the quick disconnect that you'll push, and then you'll just remove that line totally. Next step, you're going to go ahead and actually get your catch can, and you're going to begin to route the lines in what looks like it's going to be the most appropriate way. Then you can go ahead and actually mount the catch can to the bracket using the 2 supplied screws. I went ahead and took the time here to go ahead and use some zip ties, running the lines of what looked the best to me without causing any kinks in lines or anything like that. Last step is to completely tighten down the bracket. Once you have that completely tight, your hoses are routed, everything's good to go, you can go ahead and test. And just like that, you're complete. So that's one of the simplest, easiest upgrades you can do, and it's most definitely an effective upgrade. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.